Flipped classroom, implications of flipped classroom, virtual reality. Flipped classroom. What is flipped classroom? Flipped classroom is a teaching strategy that reverses the traditional learning environment by delivering instructional content outside of the classroom. It moves activities like projects, assignments, homeworks, etc. into the class. Then, four pillars of the flipped classroom: flexible environment, learning culture, intentional content, then professional educator. Advantages of flipped classroom: students take ownership for learning, it promotes student centered learning and collaboration, lessons and content are most accessible, it emphasizes on cooperative learning, it gives more time to explore the content, it can be more efficient. Then disadvantages of flipped classroom: it create digital divide, it depends on preparation and trust, teachers may have extra work, students may forced to spend time in front of the screen. Virtual classroom: a virtual classroom is an online classroom that allows participants to communicate with one another, view presentation or interact with other participants, engage with resources in workplace. Then key components: non-restricting, affordable, flexible learning, practical and proven application sharing. Why virtual classroom? Key features for virtual classroom: sharing documents, charts, annotate, whiteboard, breakout groups, polling, application sharing. Advantages of virtual classroom. Disadvantages of virtual classroom: most used virtual classroom tools: HB Virtual Classroom, Blackboard Collaborative, Horizon Vimba, IBM Lotus Virtual Classroom, Illuminate Live Virtual Classroom, Electra Live, Marco Media Breeze, Google Hangouts. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality means feeling the imaginary virtual world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is a simulation running in a computer. The definition of virtual is nearby reality is what we experience as human beings. History: more than one person has been involved in the development of this technological system. In 1950s, visionary cinematography Morton Helling built a single user console called in three-dimensional ways. Types: immersive virtual reality, non-immersive virtual reality, window or world virtual reality. Immersive virtual reality. Immersive into virtual reality is a perception of being physically present in a non-physical world. Non-immersive virtual reality: large display but doesn't surround the user. Window or world virtual reality. Desktop based virtual reality involves displaying a three-dimensional virtual on regular desktop display without use of any specialized movement tracking environment. Hardware devices, input devices, output devices. Applications for virtual reality: virtual reality in the military, virtual reality in healthcare, virtual reality in education, virtual reality and scientific visualization, virtual reality in entertainment. Advantages: virtual reality creates a realistic world, it enables users to explore places. Disadvantages: the equipments used in virtual reality are very expensive, it consists of complex technology. Thank you.